So let's look at this here. From the first video. The inspector's trying to catch this woman, the lady in red. She left an hour and a half before they did. That's 90 minutes. He found a number 3 club. 3 of them broke. There's your 33, right? The 33, they said that they might be able to catch her from a parallel hole on the way back. This word right here, and these numbers right here, took me a long time to get this, to understand this, but I think this is it. The 33 are 2 different worlds. There's this one, and there's an exact duplicate, a mirror image. The 33 that we see down here, if we were to draw a line through it right here, that's why you get the two eagle's heads, because it's 2 parts of the same thing. There's one world here. And another world out here. And here it is. There's that viscous Pisces thing that you always see. The 33 is 2 parallels. Or, if we were to draw it like this, one side would be black, let me do this, give me a brush. One side will be black. Sorry about my painting. And one will be white. And if you any doubts about the red being the 33, the 33rd parallel I think is where Korea is, and that's North Korea, and they're in Russia and all that. And I believe that's all. I'm thinking. I could be wrong. It's either 33rd or 38th parallel. Maybe it's the 38th. But as far as this goes, this is what the deal is. These are 2 worlds that are completely the same, except they're opposite. One's real, one's fake. That's why this symbol has an eagle looking this way and an eagle looking this way. And here's the cube right here, split right down the middle. And so there must be some exchange. There has to be some exchange going this way, and some exchange going this way. Because if you were to watch more of this episode, she takes a box and she throws it into the water to hide it. Well, the water representing the mirror, the reflection, or the abyss, or whatever. So there's 2 worlds going on here. The 33 represents the 2 seas. The 2 seas that you would see. So there's obviously, at least in my opinion, from what I can derive after all of this crap, there's 2 worlds, a real one and a dark one. This has to be what this is, because this is a mirror image. And I'm not really sure which one of these we're on, but this right here said that the lady was coming back through a parallel hole. 3 clubs broke, 33. 33 is your CC. That's your dark and your light. That's what it is. And it took me all this time to figure it out. But now I found it. And I honestly believe that there's another dimension here. Another world that looks exactly like this one, except separate. That's how they pulled off 9/11. Because I said that from the beginning. I said that shit ain't happening the way you think. Because it didn't happen here. it didn't happen here. It happened over there, or we're getting a division of what happened somewhere else. That may be what these stories are in the news. They're happening somewhere else, and then they're shooting them off over here. And that's why nothing's lining up. Still happening. It's just not happening here.